Hey homeowners, ever wondered what keeps your home safe from water damage? It's all about the gutters. Today we're diving into why Stateline Gutters is the top choice for all your gutter needs. Trust me, as your local gutter expert, avoiding these 3 common gutter problems can save you thousands in repairs, and Stateline Gutters knows exactly how to handle them. Founded over 25 years ago, Stateline Gutters has been providing top-notch gutter services with a commitment to excellence. Our mission: to protect your home from water damage with high-quality gutter installations, repairs, and maintenance. Plus, we are proud to be veteran-owned and operated, bringing dedication and discipline to every job. We offer a range of services to meet all your gutter needs, from seamless gutter installations to quick and reliable repairs, and even regular cleaning to keep them in top shape. We've got you covered. So why should you choose us? Here are the top 3 reasons. 1. With over 25 years in the business, our team has seen and fixed it all. 2. We use only the best materials to ensure your gutters last longer and perform better. 3. Our commitment to excellence is driven by our military background, ensuring punctuality, reliability, and superior service. Ready to protect your home with the best gutter service around? Call Stateline Gutters today or visit our website to schedule a free estimate. Don't wait until it's too late. Let us help you keep your home safe and dry.